Let's embark on a whimsical exploration of how to suck a golf ball through a garden hose. Remember, this is purely metaphorical and for entertainment purposes only. Step 1. Gently approach your garden hose. Make sure it's clean and free of any obstructions that could hinder our playful journey.
Next, examine the golf ball. Ensure it is smooth and without any dirt. A clean golf ball is essential for our whimsical adventure.
Now carefully align the golf ball at the entrance of the garden hose. This requires a steady hand and a good eye for precision. The key is imagination. Visualize the golf ball traveling through the garden hose, propelled by nothing but sheer determination and creativity.
With our metaphorical journey complete, let's reflect on the playful nature of this imaginative exercise and the fun it brought.
Thank you for joining this whimsical exploration. Remember, the best adventures are often fueled by creativity and a touch of humor.